Life is a constant struggle between the weaker version, the stronger version of yourself. This battle is ongoing 24/7. It's the version of you that you feed with action that grows stronger with time. There will always be a reason why we meet people. Either we need to change our life or we are the one that will change theirs. Don't take everything personally. Not everyone thinks about us as much as we think they do. Men are more romantic than women, and they are likely to fall on love at first sight. Danger can be sensed and detected by our minds. You should never dismiss your intuition if it tells you something is bad. The typical male orgasm lasts 6 seconds, while an ordinary female orgasm lasts 20 seconds. If you tell others about your dreams, you are a lesser likelihood to succeed. Studies reveal that you lose motivation. Chocolate and love both release neurotransmitters that increase happiness. Your intellect cannot make faces. This means that everyone you dream about has met you at some point in your life, even if just briefly. If you want your relationship to last, be single until you attract the right person who is ready to love you unconditionally. Take yourself out on dates, buy gifts for yourself, take care of yourself. You don't need to be in a relationship to enjoy your life. The worst thing in life is ending up with the wrong partner, not being alone. So choose who will complement your life. Choose to marry a teammate, not a soulmate. Love is never enough to longer and committed relationships. Build strong connection with your partner before you settle to marry. Don't date if your life is chaotic. First, build yourself physically, mentally, and financially. Never marry your age mate. Find someone who has experienced much about life than you do. Learn how to deal with your emotions and heal your childhood traumas before someone's life miserable. Invest in a good wardrobe and always mind your appearance because you always attract someone of your level. Date and get heartbroken. You'll learn how to deal with losses and identify the right people. If you're in your 20s, move out of parents' care. You'll learn how to be independent and comfortable alone. Self-love is the best relationship. Love and appreciate yourself because no one will love yourself like you do. Get into a relationship to fulfill your personal interest, not because of society's pressure. Being single doesn't mean you're lonely. Take your time until you feel ready to be with someone. Give yourself a break and do something nice for yourself. Be happy first before you commit to anyone. A woman quickly surrenders to that man whom she does not love and resists for a long time the one whom she has fallen in love with, because with her beloved she wants to appear good, and with the unloved she is not ashamed to appear bad.